Today, the court that is expected to pronounce a verdict on the plea on the stay of its first 11th of August order, directing the Delhi government to permanently relocate stray dogs from streets to dog shelters in Delhi NCR. Now, remember, in its 11th August order, the top court had ordered the authorities to pick up stray dogs from all localities and to relocate them from the dog shelters in the national capital. The order directed immediate creation of dog shelters or pounds and submit a report to the Supreme Court within 8 weeks. The order that also warned of strict action against those who obstructed carrying out this order. And this, however, led to widespread protests across the country, with dog lovers taking out protest marches as well. But in a way, they have welcomed, as far as the Supreme Court previously set up another bench when it comes to looking into its previous judgment, Harish. And however, we are expecting, when the order previously was reserved, the Supreme Court today would be announcing its verdict. Harish, good morning.
Yes, good morning, Amita. Very important hearing expected as far as the stray dogs menace issue is concerned. A three-judge special bench will be, in fact, pronouncing judgment on the plea submitted by the animal lovers and animal rights activists seeking a stay of the August 11th judgment by the bench led by Justice J.B. Pardiwala, who had ordered picking up of all stray dogs across Delhi NCR and shift them to dog shelters. The animal lovers had primarily argued that such a sensitive order should not have been passed without hearing the animal lovers and also giving them a proper hearing, and such an ex parte order was passed without a proper hearing. And also there were around 8 lakh dogs in the Delhi NCR, and there are not enough number of dog shelters, and also there are not enough number of personnel to vaccinate and sterilize these dogs. So today the three-judge bench will take a stand on the plea for a stay. Remember, the animal lovers had also said that Supreme Court had in the past given contradictory orders, because 6 other benches had said that there should be a humane approach. Animal Birth Control Act 2023 should be applied, wherein these dogs can be picked and sterilized and left to the same society, yes, and not shut down in the in a dog shelter, like what Justice Pardiwala bench had ordered. And Justice Pardiwala bench had also said that for the time being, dog lovers and animal lovers will not be heard in this case. So all these facts have been challenged before the three-judge bench. We'll have to wait and watch what kind of order this special three-judge bench will pronounce at 10:30. 10:30 is when the matter, the judgment in the matter will be pronounced. Remember, Solicitor General Tushar Mehta, yes, appearing for the Delhi government, had strongly backed the earlier order, saying that this rabies and dog bite incidents are a big threat, and also said that the whole...
But some serious observations that were made by the Supreme Court in the previous hearing itself. Just interrupting you, Harish, I'm told that Isha is also connected with us. She'll be speaking also to the dog lovers there, because Isha, good morning. The bench previously had observed that the entire problem of stray dogs in Delhi NCR was because of the result of inaction of local authorities, which failed to implement when it comes to animal birth control rules on sterilization and immunization on canines.
Right, Amita, very good morning to you. And definitely the MCD was held accountable when the court came out with this ruling. The MCD was told that they have failed in protecting the residents and also ensuring that animals are kept safe and they do not procreate without order. In fact, we are being joined by dog lovers. This is a society in South Delhi. This is a posh society in South Delhi where there are several stray dogs on the road. In fact, this is a colony where it's very common for dog bites to also be reported. Madam, आपका नाम बताएंगे?
मेरा नाम सुनीता है. Hello, Isha. Good morning.
आपको क्या लगता है सुप्रीम कोर्ट का जो ये रूलिंग है स्ट्रे डॉग्स को उठा लेने वाला, क्या आप इसको सपोर्ट करते हैं?
नहीं, मैं पूरा सपोर्ट तो नहीं करूंगी, लेकिन डॉग लवर्स को भी सोचना चाहिए कि वो पब्लिक प्लेस पे खाना ना खिलाएं, उनकी एक अलग स्पेस होनी चाहिए। मेरे घर में तो खुद लोग इतने पैसे खर्च करके डॉग लाते हैं। अरे जो लोग छोटे छोटे ये बच्चे हैं, इनको उठा के और अडॉप्ट करो। तो मैंने भी यही किया है। मैंने एक छोटा सा डॉग लाके घर में, वो तो मेरा तीसरा ग्रैंडसन है, तो हम लोग उसे बहुत प्यार करते हैं। इसी तरह सब लोगों को सोचना चाहिए कि उनको प्यार करो और एक स्पेस उनको दो, वहीं पर
तो
खाना।
आप डॉग्स से प्यार करते हैं,
हाँ,
लेकिन
बहुत
आप
प्यार
ये भी
करते
बिलीव करते हैं कि थोड़ा ऑर्डर होना चाहिए।
हाँ, बिल्कुल बिल्कुल होना चाहिए, और कोई अलग एरिया में उनको डॉग फीड कराना चाहिए, जिससे कि और
लेकिन
लोगों
आप
को
इसके खिलाफ है
परेशानी
ना,
हो।
लेकिन आप इसके खिलाफ हैं कि रोड से सारे डॉग्स को जबरदस्ती उठा के ले जाया जाए। क्या
हाँ,
आप
वो तो नहीं करना चाहिए, उनको भी तो स्पेस चाहिए ना। वो भी तो हमारे बीच के, मतलब वो बेजुबान जवान वो जानवर हैं, तो उनको चाहिए कि वो यहाँ पर रहें। लेकिन जो फीडर्स हैं उनको ध्यान रखना चाहिए कि आम पब्लिक को वो परेशान ना करें, और इतने महंगे महंगे डॉग्स ना खरीद के इनको अडॉप्ट करें और अपने घर ले जाएं।
Right, Amita. So you did hear that ma'am here is a dog lover, but it's also reasonable in her approach. So we'll also speak to you. You're a resident here. The Supreme Court has ordered that all stray dogs will be picked up. In fact, this is a park which is also this is a park for everybody to exercise. But most stray dogs we see here.
See, I'll tell you one thing. Whether it's a dog or a human being, if a human being is behaving all right, it's okay. You love him, like him. If he behaves like a terrorist, then you kill him. So same thing goes with dog. If the dog bites are there, children are being killed. So I won't like that. At the same time, there should be some discipline. There should be, it's not, if they are being collected at one place, it's a good thing. But there should be arrangements for their feeding and all that. Their living. Just collecting them and leaving them to die, I won't appreciate that. So that's what.
We're balancing something that is now being called out by the citizens. But however, when it comes to those sweeping measures that was announced by the Supreme Court previously, that became a lot of contentious issues were drawn, and strong objections that were also raised from animal welfare groups that had warned of cruelty and statutory violations as well. We'll be keeping an eye out today as far as when it comes to Supreme Court that would be taking up the verdict. Harish will update us, and so will Isha. For the moment, thank you very much, both of you, for joining us here on the broadcast. Heading into a short break, you're watching Times Now.